What to do when the dreaded iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage full issue arises. Without further ado, we shall guide you through the possible reasons and quick fixes for this perplexing scenario. Part 1. Why is iPhone stuck on Apple logo? Storage full? Software glitch? Insufficient storage? iOS update? Hardware issues? Data corruption? Malware or viruses? Part 2. Fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage full. 9 common methods. Method 1. Clear browser cache. Method 2. Install useless apps. Method 3. Remove old backups. Method 4. Force restart iPhone. Method 5. Put iPhone into recovery mode. Method 6. Get iPhone into DFU mode. Method 7. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Method 8. Factory reset iPhone from settings. Method 9. Update iOS. Part 3. Fix iPhone storage full stuck on Apple logo professionally ultimate choice. These can persist even after attempting memory cleanup and employing the techniques mentioned earlier. In such scenarios, a dependable solution emerges, known as iOS system recovery. Here's the concise guide for how to fix iPhone storage full stuck on Apple logo. With iOS system recovery, Step 1. Run iOS system recovery. Step 2. Boot your iPhone into recovery or DFU mode. Step 3. Fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage full.